Hurry to throw out used light bulbs. We'll show incredible things you've never imagined you can make from them. We'll need bulbs with the inner part removed. We'll show you how to make it. Take used bulbs of different sizes and shapes and tools. Remove the contact with pliers. Break and take out the insulator. Crack the stem with a screwdriver. Remove the broken glass. Take out the remains with tweezers. You can use pliers. Prepare a few bulbs in this way. Be careful, don't get hurt. Let's get started decorating. Make a few unusual vases with green plants. Take any little plants. We've got tomato and pepper seedlings and basil. Remove soil. Carefully crush it without damaging the plant roots. Rinse them in water. Let them dry on the napkin. Place the bulb on a cardboard ring. Pour in some water. Put in the plant. We've got a mini, high-tech vase. It's taken us just a few minutes to make these original decor articles. You can hang the bulbs on different levels. They'll make an awesome decoration for a photo shoot or a party. Do you need an easy candy gift idea? Use a light bulb as a package bottle. Paint the cap white. Use acrylic paint. Cover the washers with the paint. We'll need them as the stands. Hot glue to the bulb. Now, the mini bottles are standing upright. Make a leaf-shaped embellishment from scrapbook paper. Outline with a pencil and cut it out. Punch the leaf. Thread it on twine. Wrap the twine and pattern ribbon around the cap. Tie a bow. Trim the ends. The top is missing. Cut a wine cork in half. Rotate the cork to make a cut around its perimeter. Remove the excess cork up to the cut. We've got a topped stopper. Make it smaller to fit the metal base. Fill the bottles with Skittles. The candies will easily pass through the narrow neck. Stopper the bottle. The cute light bulb candy bottles will make a fabulous gift for a sweet tooth lover. Are you into unusual decor items? Then you'll definitely like a light bulb sandglass. Make 2 triangle cardboard stands. Cover them with acrylic paint. Make them blue. Add wooden skewers as legs. Prepare the sticks of 2 bulbs length. Paint them blue. We'll need 2 of the same bulbs and blue salt. We've shown how to color salt with acrylic paint in a few previous videos. Put in a paper cone. Pour in the salt. Use a washer as a joining ring between the bulbs. It'll also regulate the salt flow. Make the washer hole narrow with the hot glue. Press the ring against the cap. Start your stopwatch and turn over the bulb. We should measure how much salt we'll pour out for 30 seconds. Stop! Turn over the bulb. There's the needed quantity in the bowl. Pour it in the empty bulb. We won't need the excess salt. Hot glue the washer to the cap. Attach the empty bulb on top. Test how the sandglass, or to be exact, salt glass, works. Cool! Decorate the hot glue seam with the twine. Set the sandglass on the stand. Hot glue to the center of the triangles. Add the sticks. This pretty decor article is a functional accessory. You can use it as a 30-second timer, and it really works. Add a little romance by turning a blank bulb into a stylish candle. Set it on the stand in the way we've shown. Hot glue the washer. We'll need cotton cord. Pour in some glycerin. It's better to use food glycerin. It's free from any impurities and contains minimum water, so it burns better. Soak the cord well. Put some embellishments in the bulb. You can use small shells and beads. Pour in the glycerin. Color it with blue dye. It's extremely bright, so use just a bit. Shake to mix. Put in the soaked cord. Light it. The cute liquid candle will help create a cozy atmosphere. Make a stunning necklace using a small bulb and cord. Take it apart in the same way we did. We can't take out the inner part because of the small cap. Don't worry, remove what you can and don't bother about the rest. We'll fill the bulb with seed beads. Put them in the paper cone. Pour in the pink beads. Add yellow on top. You can use glitter or colored salt instead. Okay, the stem and wires have been hidden under the bright filling. Hot glue the cap. Add the cord. Make a loop. Fasten it on the base. Tie up the ends. The lovely summer necklace will add a bright color spot to your outfit and make your day. You can have another version of the necklace. Leave the bulb blank and decorate it with a smart suede cord. Make another hanging high-tech vase. Bend a piece of wire at a right angle. Fold up again in about 5 inches. Turn the wire up and aslant. Cross the ends. Bend the wire at the intersection. Make it parallel to the tabletop. Wind it around the cap. Cut off the excess. Fasten the ends. Put in the bulb. The minimalist installation is ready. Pour in some water and put a little flower or bunch in. What about a soap dispenser from a big colored bulb? Sounds weird, but it's interesting. We'll need a big decorative flat top bulb. They can be of different colors and used in photo studios. Remove the inner part as we did before. Despite its shape and color, it has the same construction as the regular bulbs. Make the base hole wider. Fold the edges inside. Put on a pump top. Add a few drops of the hot glue to make it stable. Pour in liquid soap and enjoy washing your hands. Don't have a place to keep your coins? The bulb money box will keep them safe and decorate your room interior. Make the cap hole wider. Hot glue the washer as the stand. Adhere at an angle. Push the coins inside. It looks smart. You can leave it as it is or decorate the base with the cotton cord. Soak it in white glue. Wrap around the cap. snip off the excess. It's quite a symbol to keep money in the used bulb money box. We hope these life hacks will help you find your own creative way to upcycle the used light bulb into a functional and aesthetic thing. With just a little bit of work, you can give it a new life.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind, blow your mind.